Right, apologies for that. We appear to have some technical issues, so it stopped our stream just as we'd finished area of a circle. Just a little bit left that I'd like to go through. The first bit of it being circumference of a circle. Now, the circumference of a circle, we did kind of allude to this earlier. Again, we need to use pi, but in this case we do pi times by the diameter. Now, in this example here, we've been given the radius, so I need to times that by 2. We get a different colour pen. I need to times that by 2, which gives me 10. Because the diameter, as we said earlier, is twice the radius. So the diameter for this is 10 meters. So I get pi times it by 10, and I will get 31.42 meters. And that is the circumference of the circle. So pi times by diameter is the circumference. There's a couple of questions here. I'm going to kind of run through these, and if you're watching on repeat, please feel free to just pause this, have a go at the questions yourself, and come back to them later on. So the radius here is 30, so again we've been given the radius. I need to double it, which gives me 60. So I then do pi times by 60, and that would give me the circumference of this circle. So that gives me 188.4 centimeters. You know, area, like we did earlier, comes in centimeters squared, meters squared, kilometers squared, etc. Circumference just comes in centimeters, meters, those sorts of measurements. This one here, in the top corner, I've been given the diameter, so I can just straight up times it. So pi times by 40, which gives me 125.6. Sorry, a bit of pen colour issues tonight. 125.6 centimeters. This one down the bottom, I've been given the diameter, which is great because that's what I need. However, this is a semicircle, and I'd want to find the entire outside. So I need to find this part first. So I do pi times by 20 divided by 2, and that would give me the part that we just indicated there. So that would give me 31.4. Now that's this part here. To get this part, I've already been given it. It's here in the question. So I add 20, it equals 51.4 centimeters. Well, thank you very much for watching tonight. I do apologise for the technical issues. My broadband doesn't seem to be working too great tonight. However, we do hope to have this resolved by tomorrow. Tomorrow we're looking at working with angles on parallels. So for those of you who'd like to have a look up before the video, it's angles on parallels. They're also referred to as Z angles, F angles, C angles, and we'll be working with them as neither circles nor angles on parallels appeared on the November OCR GCSE maths paper, and with them reform the GCSEs, we've got a very strong feeling that they're going to be on these papers. Thank you very much, and I shall see you tomorrow.